Alright, here's a challenge for you. Can you build your very own artificial neural network, right at home, with just a laptop? Spoiler, yes, you absolutely can. And no, you don't need a lab coat or a PhD. You just need a bit of curiosity, some simple math, and a dash of coding. Sounds fun, right? So, here's the game plan. Today, we're going to take artificial intelligence, the stuff that powers self-driving cars and your phone's face unlock, and strip it down to basics. Neural networks, which mimic how the brain works, are at the heart of it all. But don't worry, this isn't going to be a lecture. We're going to make it fun and totally doable from your living room. Imagine this, you want to teach your computer to recognize pictures of cats. Well, neural networks can help with that. Think of them as a digital brain that learns by seeing examples. But here's the cool part, it's all built on math, just some simple multiplications and additions behind the scenes. Sounds less scary now, doesn't it? So, the big question, can you build this thing from scratch at home? 100% yes. You'll need your laptop, Python, the programming language, not the snake, and a couple of free tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch. And if you've never coded before, don't sweat it, I've got your back. We'll go through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have a neural network that you built with your own hands. How awesome is that? Here's the fun part, building the neurons, which are like the building blocks. Okay, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here's how this is going to work. First, we'll set up the neurons. These are just math functions that take input, do some calculations, and spit out an answer. Think of them as little problem solvers. They're connected to other neurons in layers, and each layer gets a little better at figuring out whether we're looking at a cat, a dog, or a random picture of pizza. Now, here's the secret sauce, training the network. This is where it actually starts learning. We'll give it a bunch of images and let it make guesses. At first, it'll be hilariously wrong, but that's where the magic happens. We tweak things, adjust the math, and suddenly, it gets smarter. Every time it messes up, it corrects itself a little more. It's like watching a kid learn to ride a bike, except, you know, with more math and fewer scraped knees. And guess what? We'll walk through this entire process together. I'll show you the code, explain the math, and by the end, your neural network will be up and running. You'll see it make predictions, improve itself, and get closer to perfection with every step. The best part? You built it. You'll be able to say, yeah, I made an AI that can recognize cats. No big deal. And here's something that'll blow your mind. Neural networks like this one are the foundation of so many cool things. From self-driving cars to voice assistants, it's all built on the same basic principles you're about to learn. But we're not stopping here. After this, we'll dive into more advanced concepts, like improving the network, making it faster, and even adding more layers to make it smarter. The possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to build your very own AI at home? Subscribe, hit the bell, and get your questions ready because we're about to create something amazing together. See you in the next one.